on our design for the page, and now we want to check how it looks in mobile views. So we'll go to Enable Visual Builder so that we can edit the page. And then once that's loaded in, we'll scroll down to the bottom, or we'll take our mouse down to the bottom, and you'll see we've got these this purple circle with the 3 dots. Now if we click that, over on the left hand side we can view the page, how it will look in tablet view, and then also how it will look in the mobile view. So as you can see, it rearranges quite nicely straight off. It's put our different sections on top of each other, so the page does actually hang together quite nicely as it is. But one section that I don't like so much is this section in blue here. I'd kind of like these to be centered, I think, on mobile. So if we edit directly from this point, we're going to be editing the web version, the tablet version, and also the mobile phone version. So what we want to do is when we go into the module settings, so we're going to go to the design because we want to make it centered. So the image and icon, we want to make centered. Now, if I just take this off, so when you first come into the editor, you'll just have the one level of setting like this. So we want to make sure we've mouse over the heading that we want to edit, and then click on the mobile editor. So now you can see we're just editing it for phone. If I take that off, now we're editing it on the website version as well, which we don't want to do. We don't want to change the alignment for that. So we're going to change it on the mobile, and we're going to make it centered. Okay, so we've changed the image. Now we want to change the title as well. So again, it's the same thing. If we don't have that turned on, we're going to be changing it for the website. So we're going to turn on the mobile editor. We're just changing it for the mobile phone version, and we're going to make it centered. Perfect. Now I'm going to do the little green tick at the bottom there. Now, rather than going through and doing the settings for all the following ones, I'm just going to go to the 3 dots at the top right here, copy the module styles, and then again on the next one, and we will paste the module styles. But it didn't do the heading. Okay, we'll paste the styles on these two. And then if we go back to our first one with the center aligned title, another way that we can do it here is on the text alignment on the 3 buttons there. Can extend the title text alignment. Now we don't want to do it through the whole page. We just want to do it for the modules inside this section, or in fact inside this row. So the row is the green box that shows around. So we'll extend that, and they've all gone in lovely. We'll hit the tick, and we'll just check on the web version as well that all still looks good. It does. Still good on the tablet version, and then on the mobile version. So perfect, there you go. As you can see, most of it all works automatically for you, but if you do need to make some tweaks, that's how you want to do it.